First, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Kawadis are related to raccoons and are also known as coatimundis. Kawadis are furry animals that are native to South America. They usually exist in Mexico, Central America, South America, and the southwestern United States. Their name coatimundi is known to be derived from the Tupi and Brazil languages. The name Kawadi originated from the Spanish word Kawadi, which goes back to Old Tupi. Their word, Coati, is a combination of two words, qua, meaning belt, and tim, meaning nose. The visually descriptive name is due to the Kawadis' habit of sticking their noses into their bellies when they sleep. The creature's scientific name Nasua also comes from the Latin word meaning nose. Incredible Kawadi facts. Kawadis are animals with unusually long noses, help them in feeding themselves by sticking under rocks in search of food. Kawadis usually walk with their tails high up in the air. It is used for balancing purposes while climbing. Kawadis have double-jointed ankles that make them flexible and helps them descend trees at a much higher speed. These creatures make a woof sound when they are surprised and slowly leap into the bushes in groups after that. Their groups can get as big as having about 30 members. Kawadi scientific name. Kawadi belongs to the genus Nasua and is also called coatimundi or coatimundi. They are known to come from the family Procyon. There are 4 subspecies of Kawadi: the mountain Kawadi, the ring-tailed Kawadi or banded-tail Kawadi, the Cozumel Island Kawadi, and the white-nosed Kawadi. The name coatimundi has been derived from the Tupi and Brazil languages. Kawadi appearance and behavior. Kawadis have a sleek and slender head. Their noses are the highlight of their faces and are usually long and flexible. These furry creatures have small ears, a long tail, and dark feet. They often use their tails for balancing their bodies. Their fur coats usually come in black or brown color with a lighter underpart. Kawadis are about 12 inches in height and usually weigh between 4 to 18 pounds. Their front feet are equipped with curved claws that are relatively long. The back feet, however, have shorter claws. Their toes are webbed, and they are known to be powerful swimmers. The male Kawadi is known to be double the size of female ones and has sharp canines. Different types of Kawadi have slightly different behavioral characteristics. Some of them are active during the daytime, while some others are active during the night. They are known to be very intelligent animals and are also very adaptable. These creatures sleep at higher, elevated places and live in groups that can be as big as having 30 members. These groups are called bands. When surprised, these groups make a woof noise and then leap into the bushes. Adult Kawadi males are especially known to be solitary creatures and join the females only at mating time. Kawadis are also known to be excellent climbers and usually take the help of their tails to balance their bodies while climbing. They descend to the ground to hunt for food. Kawadi habitat. Kawadis are animals that are found only in the American continent and usually live in moist or tropical rainforests. They live in elevated areas, mostly above 3,000 meters, which could include pine and oak trees. Their fur coat helps them survive these conditions. These are found in Arizona, Mexico, Central and Southern America, and the southwestern United States. It is usually unlikely, but some Kawadi can also be found in deserts and savannas. The ring-tailed Kawadi is primarily found in South America, though it is also known as the South American Kawadi or the banded-tail Kawadi. Kawadi diet. Omnivorous in nature, Kawadis have a diet that includes a variety of things like lizards, eggs, birds, and crocodile eggs. They also eat fruit as well as invertebrates, which they dig out from beneath the ground using their long claws. They are known to travel a lot in search of food. Kawadi predators and threats. Like all the other animals, Kawadis are also a part of the environmental food chain and there are a lot of animals that prey on them. These predators include maned wolves, anacondas, tigers, dogs, and foxes.
Some other animals that are known to prey on them are ocelots, raptors, eagles, jaguarundis, and boa constrictors.
The pups are at particular risk for becoming the dinner of the white-headed Capuchin monkey. These creatures are also under threat due to human activities like hunting and deforestation, as their natural habitat has been degenerating.
Humans are also known to eat coatis, which is also why the coati population is said to be on a decline. However, the species is not threatened, and the IUCN has placed it under the category of least concern. Coati reproduction, babies, and lifespan.
The start of the rainy season is usually when the coati mate. The process starts when one male coati joins the band and mates with all the females. Once the baby has been conceived, the female leaves the group and builds a nest high up in the tree. The gestation period lasts for about 3 months, after which the female gives birth to 2 to 7 babies that are called kittens. Kittens have their eyes closed at birth and usually only open them when they are about 10 days old. Around day 19, they start standing up and can walk by day 24. Around 6 to 10 weeks of age, the kittens rejoin the band with their mothers, and further care continues inside the band with the help of other female members of the group. The average coati lives for about 14 years.
Coati population. The coati population is not very clear, as the species have not been studied very well.
However, it has been assumed that the numbers have relatively declined because not only do these creatures fall prey to natural predators, they also face a threat from hunting and degeneration of their natural habitat due to deforestation by human beings. Humans also feed on coatis, which are also known to be the reason that the coati population is on a decline in some areas. The population varies from place to place. The greatest number of members that a band or coati group has been known to have is more than 150 members. However, they are not threatened and have been placed under the least concerned category by the IUCN.
Coati in the zoo.
Coatis cannot survive in very peculiar environments, and hence it would usually not be a good idea to keep them in captivity.
Moreover, they are energetic animals, and keeping them in small cages wouldn't be an appropriate thing to do. They usually require a lot of time outside.
Coati frequently asked questions.
What is a coati?
From the genus Nasua, the coati is a raccoon-like creature with a coat of fur. They are found only on the American continent and are usually distinguished by their elongated nose that helps them feed themselves while searching for food.
What does coati eat?
Coatis are omnivorous, and a lot of different things make up their diet. They eat lizards, fruits, bird eggs, crocodile eggs, among many other things.
Where does coati live?
They usually live in moist and tropical rainforests and can be found in Mexico, Central and Southern America, and the southwestern United States.
Is a coati a raccoon?
No, but the coati is related to them.
However, the white-nosed coati belongs to the raccoon family and is found from Arizona to South America. Are coatis friendly?
Coatis can be friendly and can also be kept as pets. However, little is known about how they react in closed environments.
Is a coati a carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore?
A coati is omnivorous. It will eat lizards, eggs, from birds and crocodiles, and other foods found in their surroundings.
What kingdom do coatis belong to? Coatis belong to the kingdom Animalia. What class do coatis belong to? Coatis belong to the class Mammalia. What phylum do coatis belong to? Coatis belong to the phylum Chordata. What family do coatis belong to? Coatis belong to the family Procyon. What order do coatis belong to? Coatis belong to the order Carnivora. What genus do coatis belong to? Coatis belong to the genus Nasua. What type of covering do coatis have? Coatis are covered in fur. What are some predators of coatis? Predators of coatis include wildcats, birds of prey, and crocodiles. How many babies do coatis have? The average number of babies a coati has is 4. What is an interesting fact about coatis? Coatis are found in dense forests and wet jungles. What is the scientific name for the coati?
The scientific name for the coati is Nasua.
What is the lifespan of a coati?
Coatis can live for 8 to 15 years.
How fast is a coati?
A coati can travel at speeds of up to 15 miles